Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a small tutorial with this beautiful quad by Marykay, and the colors for these are just gorgeous. Excuse me. And going from this one is Emerald Noir, this one is Smoky Quartz, Dusty Rose, which was absolutely one of my favorites, and Moonstone. So I'm going to go ahead and do a wonderful tutorial for you guys so you guys can see this. These retail for the entire packet. You can actually get it for $36, but it actually retails for $40. The palette itself is $8. The great thing about this is that you can take it out and customize it however you want. I have another color in here. So you can just add it, very cute, very compact, and you can create your endless colors with this. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you the look. So I'm going to go ahead with Moonstone, and I'm going to do it all over my eyes. So you know how we do it. I'm going to show you step by step and how you can increase the glamour if you choose to or not to. So without further ado, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and take my large shader E60 from Sigma, and you can see that I went ahead and put it in the pan like so. Have it on there and tap off the excess. And I'm going to take my mirror and I'm going to wash out my entire eye, as you can see, like so. So pretty. And with Moonstone, you can use it as a highlighter too, right? So you don't have to use the Moonstone all over. If you don't want to, you can just use it for the brow bone in the inner corner. Completely up to you, but I'm going to go show you how to do this. And I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing, like so. And such a pretty color, and you're going to have some fallout, and each of these little eyeshadows retail for $8. They're manufactured in Italy, so it's very, very pretty, very high quality for what you're getting, and a little goes a long way, and you can keep on building the color, right? So if you want a sheer color, just do it one time. If you want to be a little bit more dramatic, to show on your lids, you're more than welcome to do that. You just want to go ahead and just keep building upon that color. So I'm going to go ahead and for the transition shade, I'm going to go ahead and do the Smoky Quartz, which is this color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take my fluffy blush brush, and this one I got from Amazon. I can link down the packet, but this is for like $16.95. You get like a 16 pack. The brand is called Energy. These are the other ones eyeshadows that I have not used yet. As you can see, this is by far my favorite one. So easy and really easy to blend, especially on the crease. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on like so. Tap off the excess, and I'm going to go on the crease and do like a washing windshield wiper motion like so. Give it some depth. And I'm going to go ahead and do it again on the other side, like so. Alright, so I went ahead and did this. This may be too much for you, and I completely understand that. If you don't want to use this color as the inside, you can go ahead and use the rose one here, which is really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this in my crease. Now I did do this as a transitional shade, right? So we have Moonstone, and then Quartz, Smoky Quartz is right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take a little, this one is Buff and Blend E39 from Sigma. I got these brushes on an awesome sale, so here it is. tap off the excess, and I'm going to go ahead and bring it in into the crease like so. Such a beautiful color. Now, a lot of people think that pink and green do not go together, but it's actually stunning together. So here we have this beautiful shade in the crease, and if you want, you can keep it right here. It's totally fine. Totally fine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other side as well. And I'm just taking it a little bit higher to like the brow bone, just a tiny bit higher that you see here. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. Now you can be done here, and that is a-okay. It's whatever you feel more comfortable with. And go like this. So pretty. See? So as you can see, I went ahead and did that in my crease like so, and a little bit higher to the brow bone. Now you can be done right here, put the mascara on, and out the door you go. And that's totally cool. But we're going to take it an extra step further. So I'm going to go ahead with my Sigma brush, and this is Domed Blending E43. It's a little dense, so it's going to be a little bit thicker. And I'm going to take the Emerald Noir, and I'm going to put it in the crease outer corner and kind of drag it in a little bit, okay? Now, it looks dark in the pan, right? You don't want to be scared of it. This is what it looks like when you're about to swatch it. But on the skin, once you buff it out, see how pretty that is? And then next to the rosy color, just so pretty. So I just wanted to show you that, okay? So don't be scared of it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the tip of the brush, and I'm just going to dab it. It's kind of hard to see the color on the brush because it's such a dark color, but you can kind of see it. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. Dust it off a little bit, and like I said, I'm going to go and see if I can get a little closer to the camera. Oop, here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and do this side first. And I'm going to go ahead and pat it in the corner of my eye. See? And just going to do small little circles and do like a V. See? So it's not too much. And again, you saw me, I didn't do that much on the brush. A little goes a long way, and I'm going to drag it to the inner corner. So it's going to give it some depth, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side so we can keep it even. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the corner. As you can see. Didn't do as much. And there we go. And I'm going to blend and do like a V type. See? Voila. So I'm going to go ahead over here and blend it out some more. Now I'm going to go ahead with my fluffy brush thing here. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that all in together. So it's like nice seamless shade. Kind of goes into the other and blends really pretty. So you can see it's not too into your face, right? It's not like it bold in your face. It's not like a crazy color. This is very subtle. You can wear this every day. And again, I understand if this is too much for you. Really, you can just use two colors. You can do Moonstone and then do the pink, the dusty pink on the crease and be done with it. It's totally fine. Or you can do these two colors together too. So these combinations are endless, right? You can do whatever you wish to do. So now I'm looking at my eyes right now. I feel like I did a little bit more on this side than on this side. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting a little bit. Make sure. That is really pretty though. Alright, so once you feel like you've completely blended the colors together, I want to go ahead and back in with the Moonstone, and I'm going to take Sigma E70, and it's like an angled brush. You see that? And I'm going to go on my lid here in the inner corner to the center to kind of brighten it up a little bit. So pretty. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. You guys can see that. So pretty. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. And I'm going to go ahead and back with the pink. And I'm going to use the same one too. And I'm going to go into the center of the eye to the end. Not completely taking over the green that I put on there, but just enough to kind of blend them together. And that is really all you have to do for this look. So I know these colors may look intimidating. Do not be intimidated by them. They're so easy. They're so blendable, so smooth. You can totally use them for every day. You can totally rock this look for work too. And I'm going to go ahead and take my finger. Now you want to make sure your hands are clean. So I have like my hand wipe. And I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm just going to do my brow bone to highlight it. And do the same thing on this side. And this basically opens up the eye a little bit more. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and take my dome brush again, which is the E43, and I'm going to go into the inner corner of my eye and highlight the inner corner. Ooh, how pretty. And again, this is Moonstone. And here we go. And then to finish this look, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on. This is Marykay Ultimate Mascara, like my everyday go-to. And it's black brown, so it kind of gives you like that subtle hint that you are having put on mascara on. A lot of people would like to put lashes on after this. You're more than welcome to. I'm not a lash type of girl. I just like to try to have the natural look, but also make it look like I have colors on my eyes, right? Make my eyes pop more. Makeup should be fun, and there's really no rules to makeup, and you can hear that from everyone on YouTube that does makeup tutorials. It's whatever makes you happy. There's just theory in makeup. So there you go. And I am going to be done with this look. So there you guys have it. So this is using this beautiful quad color by Marykay, and you can see you don't have to be scared of the green. It's just very easy, very user-friendly to use. It's great because you can interchange them. So if you get tired of this color or you're traveling, you can go ahead and switch them out to something else here. And the palette by itself retails for $8, and the little eyeshadows are $8 individually. All right. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and comment below on what you liked about this, what you didn't like, what other videos you'd like me to do. I'll be more than happy to do more reviews. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.